Welcome to LinkedList. Store and manage dynamic data efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Inserting an element in the middle of an array requires shifting all following elements. How do we insert data anywhere quickly? Array insertions are slow. Shifting elements wastes time. Fixed size limits flexibility. LinkedList allows fast insertions and deletions by using nodes that point to each other. How is LinkedList used in the real world? Music playlist. Manage songs with easy reordering. Undo functionality. Track command history efficiently. Browser history. Navigate /forward through pages. LinkedList powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without LinkedList? Inserting elements in middle of array requires shifting. Look at how messy the code gets. Insertion time. Memory reallocation needed. Inefficient for frequent inserts. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. LinkedList. Look how clean the code is now. Dynamic size. Fast inserts / deletes. No shifting needed. Compare the difference. And that is why we use LinkedList. Let's see how to implement LinkedList in code. Here is the implementation. Create LinkedList. Initialize empty list. Add element. Append apple to end. Add element. Append banana to end. Add to front. Insert orange at start. Get element. Retrieve item at index 1. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the time complexity of adding to LinkedList front? Which one is correct? The correct answer is adding to front is constant time with head pointer. Which method removes LinkedList's first element? Which one is correct? The correct answer is remove first. Removes and returns first element. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is add first, 2 makes list, 2, 5, get 1, returns 5. Which is not a linked list advantage over array list? Which one is correct? The correct answer is linked list has ON random access, array list O1. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.